Got huge 4K videos on your iPhone 17 Pro that won't send through AirDrop or email? Here's how to transfer them super fast to your PC using just a USB cable. Step 1. Plug your iPhone 17 Pro directly into your PC using a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A cable depending on your computer's port. When you connect, your iPhone might ask, "Trust this computer." If that shows, you have to click Trust and then enter your passcode. On your PC or laptop, open the File Explorer, click on this PC, find your iPhone under Devices and Drives, and then when you you open it and go into DCIM folder. That's where all your photos and videos are stored. Now you just drag and drop your videos to a folder on your PC. For faster transfers, move only a few large files at a time. So for pro tips, use a high-speed USB-C cable for 4K or ProRes videos. And that's it. Your big iPhone 17 Pro videos are now safely on your PC, fast, clean, and cable powered.